Ladies and gentlemen, to you I introduce East Africa's #1 online TV station, Trendy TV.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking to Trendy TV East Africa, the #1 online TV station. We promised and vowed to give you any news and information concerning anything that has transpired around Uganda, East Africa, and worldwide. Today, we've brought you a profile, or we're profiling one of the big men under the big story around East Africa on the ship that docked in Mombasa just a couple of days back, and this is none other than a commander of this ship. This ship, Emmeri eri ku Mombasa port. Getwongera okufuna galaga nti it's called USS STOUT. Era nga erina kapiteni waayo. Tukuletedde kapiteni waayo ne profile ye. Kapiteni waayo bamuyita omusajja Captain David L. Gray. Captain L. Gray, the commanding officer of the US Naval Ship that is currently docked at Mombasa, is a native of Massachusetts. Omwami ono bamuzala Massachusetts, and he joined the US Navy in August 1990. You're joining a Navy SEAL oba US Navy SEAL mu August wa 1990 as an Engineman, yali akola mu engine. Still, the docking of the ship in Mombasa has led to a lot of speculations about US intentions, but without elaborating. Washington said its main role, agave Washington gatugamba era gagamba nti the main purpose why this ship is docked at Mombasa is to ensure peace and stability in the region. Abantu bana bali Washington bagamba Emmeri eno ensonga lwaki bagidockinga ku poti ye Mombasa tewali nsonga y'amaanyi nnyo, era okusinziira ku getufuna from our reliable resources is that these guys are saying that the reason as to why the ship is at the port of Mombasa is just because these guys want to ensure peace and stability in the region. Kyesimanyi oba abantu bano beba tutwala oba beba president ba East Africa or the region that they are talking about. Anyway, tuli ku Captain David L. Gray, era ye commander wa Emmeri eno gye bayita USS STOUT eri ku poti ye Kenya, yogeza abantu ebikankana erowoozesa n'abapresidenti betuuza abapresidenti ba East Africa obufofofo. Tuli ku Captain L. Gray bagamba, era bawongedde ne batugamba nti in 1996 Gray was selected for the Seaman-to-Admiral in 1996, that's 1996, Gray was selected for Seaman-to-Admiral Program and commissioned on June 7, 1996. Following commissioning, he attended Surface Warfare Surface Warfare Division Office School in Newport, RI. Bagamba nti omwami ono ya attending a school oba yasomera mu ssomero lye bayita warfare, erya warfare, ng'essomero lino baliyita Warfare Division Office School in Newport. He holds a Bachelor of Science in Philosophy from ODU and a Master of Arts in National Security and Strategic Studies from the Naval War College. Omwami ono batugaba alina Bachelor mu Science and Philosophy, alina Masters mu National Security and Strategic Studies. And we'll go ahead to look on information concerning this man. His sea duty assignment started June 1996. Yatandika okukola ku meri, yatandika okukola ku gasemayanja amanene mu 10 ndani kukola ku gasemayanja amanene mu 1997 to July 1999, assigned to USS USS ze Emmeri zino eza USA Enwanyi eziba zitambulira ku gasemayanja gano. During this tour he deployed to Mediterranean and the Atlantic in support of Kosovo peacekeeping operations. Ya featuring operations of peacekeeping e Kosovo. Wange Kosovo waliwo olutalo and the US yasobola interfering so that to keep peace in Kosovo. Erono omwami still ya leading the army or the army on the ship kugenda to maintain or to stabilize the peace in Kosovo. In May 1999, he supported the USS where he served as weapons officer while on TYPHO. Eno Mary era gye bakozesa mu 1999 mu operation gye bamusindikamu era yaservinganga weapons officer. He deployed to the Horn of Africa. He was deployed to the Horn of Africa for various special warfare operations. Omwami ono Captain David L. Gray asaviza mu bintu bingi nnyo era operations nyingi zebamusindiseemu whereby ezisinga obungi za ku maintaining a peace and bringing stability in a place. Bayongera ne batugamba in January 2004 he was reported to USS Ponk where he was assigned as the first lieutenant. During this tour, he was deployed to the Albanian Gulf in support of Operation Iraq Freedom. Mu lutalo lwa Operation ya Iraq Freedom operation gye badabinga Iraq Freedom mu 2004, omwami ono still bamusindika n'alidinga amagye mu lutalo luneeno olwali mu Horn of Africa, olwatandikira mu Horn of Africa eyo mu Ivory Coast. Era ono musajja, he was the first lieutenant to be sent and lead these people in that war or in that battle. We go ahead to look at this man. Bagamba during this tour he was selected for an individual assignment and assigned as G5's Coalition Cooperation Center. Kigambibwa nti omusajja ono David L. Gray yasigningibwa oba bamuwa coalition oba yakulembera organization eso ey'abajaasi aba maintaining a freedom all over Africa and worldwide. Yeah, still on Captain David L. Gray. More information of that we've gathered still shows us that from December 2013 to November 2014, he served as Chief State Officer of a float training group at Atlantic while stationed at ATG. He attended Joint Forces Staff Colleague and completed joint professional military education. Agagitungera okufuna ku musajja ono baku mwami ono baku captain ono kubaita Captain David L. Gray gagamba nti mu December wa 2013 mpaka November wa 2014 yaservinganga Chief Staff Officer ku a float training group ku Atlantic. Era ono omusajja yasobola completing a joint professional military education phase 2 credit, era ne bamuwa credit era ne bamutikira in that profession. Kwetongera okufuna about this guy era omuntu ono gwe twogerako ye captain w'Emmeri eyogeza abantu ebikankana eri ku port eya Mombasa Kenya. Era getongera okufuna ku mwami ono galaga nti Captain Gray's professional awards included the Defense Superior Service Medal. Yafuna medal ya gye bayita Defense Superior Service, nafuna ne medal ya Materials Service Medal, as in meritorious service medal era yafuna 4 awards ku medal eno. The other thing, the joint service commendation medal, then nasobola n'okufuna the Navy Commendation Medal. Those are 4 awards for him, plus medal achievement, the Navy Achievement Medal. Era yafuna 3 awards regarding that Navy Achievement Medal. It is still the same person, in addition to other unit and service awards. Yafuna awards endala nyingi nnyo ddala. That's Captain David L. Gray for you. Era ye captain wa Emmeri gye mulaba awo in Mombasa, eri station in Mombasa, gye bagamba nti it's only there or put there to keep peace and stability within the region. Era nti government ya Kenya yabakkiriza bulungi nnyo okusobola okubakkiriza okustationinga oba okuteekawo emmeri okupakingawo in Mombasa, because they say Kenya is one of US's good friends. We shall keep updating you about any news and information regarding the ship or more ships that are still coming in within the region of East Africa. Just stick to Trendy TV East Africa.
Ladies and gentlemen, to you I introduce East Africa's #1 online TV station, Trendy TV.